if we want to progress cosmology, the science, how universe works, the only way is to abolish singularities. All types of singularities. Because singularities are mathematical philosophy that is supporting religious dogma. Big Bang is religious dogma. And we have to stop this. The beginning of the universe is against a common sense of physics. Because explosion out of mathematical point that had infinite pressure, temperature, and density is just a pure nonsense. It has nothing to do with science. Big Bang is a variation of biblical cosmology that God made a universe in 6 days, and 7 days he just relaxed. Big Bang is the same. It's exactly the same scenario. Just it's a bit different time schedule. And this is shame. It is shame on humanity. It is shame on human intelligence that today we are still teaching Big Bang. It's incredible. And why I'm telling this, why I'm saying this? If you have, let's say we have Euclidean space, okay, and we have one, we say, okay, here is one point T in this Euclidean space. If this point T, we say, okay, gravity here is infinite, or temperature here is infinite, or pressure is infinite, or density is infinite, then we know in mathematics and we know in physics, going away from this point T, the infinite value cannot diminish. Everybody agree on that. Infinity does not diminish with distance. And nobody in cosmology is ready to apply this fact, this mathematical fact, this scientific fact on Big Bang cosmology and say Big Bang cosmology is pure nonsense. It's a religious dogma. Why this is so? Because so much energy was invested in Big Bang. Hundreds of articles were published. And now to say that all this was just a rubbish, nobody has power to do that. Initial symmetry, where there was equality of matter, antimatter. This is religious dogma. And then antimatter miraculously somewhere disappear. Antimatter does not exist in the universe. Antimatter, this is religious dogma. 99% of particles which have been discovered in cyclotrons are man-made. They do not exist in the universe. The particles that really exist in the universe are proton, electron, and photon. Yeah? And that's it. Most of other particles are non-existent. Proton is a vortex of superfluid quantum space. An electron also is a vortex of superfluid quantum space. And these two real particles are building atoms. And photon is a wave of superfluid quantum space. And that's why these three elements have practically infinite lifetime. Because superfluid quantum space has no entropy. This is syntropy type of energy. And this is not only valid for microcosmos, this is also on the macrocosmos. Planets and stars are circulating, let's say, up around the central black holes without energy. Circulation of the moon around Earth does not require any energy. Because we cannot compare universe with the machine. The machine to run needs energy input. Universe, in order to run, does not need any energy input. Why moon is moving, is rotating around Earth without energy use? Because gravitational force minus centripetal force is zero. Universe is not created. The universe is eternal. And this supreme cosmic intelligence is present in every single quanta in the universe. So universe is a God itself. Universe is being itself. There is no difference between matter and being. And we on this planet, we are still so stupid to believe in some beginning of the universe. Check my articles and share them. I wish everybody a good day.